Hi guys, welcome to Lewis Access. Today we're launching our brand new series, How It's Made. And today I'll be showing you how we do our 600mm adjustable legs. Let's get to it. This is the first part of the process to create the 600mm adjustable leg. What I want to do, I want to set the raw material on the bed of the machine and I'm going to program it to cut the exact length I want. Now I know the raw material comes into 6005mm, so I'm going to set that into the machine. I also want the cut to be 598mm. And here I can see I'm going to get 9 exact cuts. From this point onwards, I've got the trim stopper, which is this part right here, and I'm going to put all of my material up against it. This is what you call the 0 point of the machine. This way ensures complete accuracy and no tolerance. Now all the clamps are in place, it secures the material. The saw has now turned on, and right here what's happening is the saw will be coming and trim about 4mm off the top of the material. That way, the first cut is precise. Now the second cut will be made at exactly 598mm. Now the first cut will be in the safe zone. I'm going to now measure the cut. I'm expecting 598mm, and it's brilliant, passes the test. When we have enough adjustable legs made, we're going to take it down to a separate part of our factory to put it on a CNC machine. And now we've got our legs cut to size, we're going to use our ST20Y to create the finished product. The first process of this machine is to increase the internal diameter of the tube. This is because we want the wheel to comfortably sit inside the tube. Just like that, but at the moment it doesn't. We're going to put the tube inside the chuck and zero the machine. There we are. Now we're going to push the tube against the center point to allow the machine to know exactly where the tube is. What the machine just did right there is it drilled millimeters at a time, increasing the internal diameter to allow our wheel to fit in. Now what I'm about to do is I'm going to push the tube up against another 0 point to allow the machine to create a thread. Now, again, millimeters at a time, the machine is creating a thread, going over the thread multiple times. That ensures greater accuracy, and on top of that, it prevents damage from the machine. Here we are, brilliant. Beautiful thread is now created. I'm just going to wipe this off from all the coolant. The next step to this is that we're going to create an incision, a lined incision here and a dotted incision there. What this will do, this will allow us to put a pin inside of our leg and it will stop the leg from falling out from our scaffold tower products, because this creates horizontal pressure inside. Allow the machine to get to a 0 point, open the chuck and pull the tube to that 0 point. Now the machine knows where the tube is and can do the correct incisions. The machine is also chamfering over the edge to create a smooth surface, and this machine's accuracy is beyond belief. There's no room for error here at all. Each product is near perfect every single time. And here we are. This is our finished product. Give it a bit of a clean. And now for the quality control is we're going to use a nut here and we are going to see if this thread fits. And look at that. Perfect. And I'm going to try our pin. And just like that, that creates our horizontal pressure inside the scaffold tower. There we are. Thank you guys for joining us on this week's episode of How It's Made. Hope you did enjoy. Please feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and give us your feedback. We'll be reading it. And see you in the next.